Merry Christmas everyone and Happy New Printer! But wait, this is not very Christmassy, is it? It's a bit dull and gloomy. Let's make it better with the magic of Christmas. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas, beautiful people! I'm Spectrum Santa Claus, and today we're gonna 3D print an entire big Christmas tree with the help of this amazing filament from the Spectrum Filament series, FLIPFLOP Green. But before that, let me go outside and spread the love of filaments by giving everyone 10% off on every filament we have. Hey Spectrum Santa, can you hear me? How is it going down there?
Jingle bells, filaments all the way. Oh, yes, Alessia, I can hear you, but it's really cold down here. Can I come up now?
I can tell by your voice, but nah. Stay a little bit more, okay? We have this 10% discount going, so make sure people get it, okay?
Oh, okay, but at least can you send me some chocolate down here or something?
What? You're Spectrum Santa, you don't need that. Hold on, okay? I have to show our viewers how to make and 3D print this beautiful, huge Christmas tree.
You do that, I'll keep trying. Jingle bells, I'm freezing all the way. Filaments, 10% discount, come here.
Alright, let's make it. First of all, this filament is an absolute beauty. It prints like butter with just a simple PLA profile. The main feature of this filament is that it's a variation of PLA glitter in a way. It does give an amazing translucency and glitter effect, perfect for Christmas trees. And for the balls, we use a multiple series of Magic Silk PLA, translucent red PETG, and finally PLA Glow in the dark. All the links are in the description down below. But now let me take you to the process. It took me around 3 days to print all the parts, because the original model is actually this big, but I scaled it quite a bit. In fact, the entire tree is over 1 meter tall, not including the star, which is over 10 centimeters long. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bit of a challenge putting all the pieces together after I 3D print them. In fact, I think that I 3D printed 2 parts that were already printed and I only had 2 failures, but that was my fault because I didn't put supports. Other than that, the filament performed beautifully. And now let me take you to some time lapses and how I built it. So, first thing I do is deburring the edges and cleaning the prints. As well as try to combine them in their respective position. After that, I spent a good amount of time removing the connectors that I created in Bambu Studio. The reason of removal is because some of them were not fitting properly due to friction. Here I'm using my ultrasonic blade for this. Then I started gluing all the parts together with normal super glue, which was fine at the beginning. You will see what I mean in a second. Hence why I used a super strong Bond B component glue after. I'm taping all the parts just to hold them in place while the glue is drying. And I went back and forth gluing and removing connectors. There were so many I couldn't count. Wasn't easy at the beginning gluing the pieces because of the odd shape, but I got the hang of it. So I started gluing them as rows, starting from the top on my way down. But wait, disaster is about to happen. Remember the glue switching thingy? I felt that everything was going really well, and that's when bad things happen. A dark, mysterious force was moving the almost completed 3D printed tree on the edge of the desk. And the rest, well, was inevitable. I'll spare you the pain and tears to redo the whole thing, so here I am after the disaster at the same point. But this time I'm using the B-component glue, which turned out way better and stronger. Finally, the last row is done and the whole tree is completed. Left it to dry for a couple of hours. Last we have the Christmas balls, which took around 2 days with 2 printers, and turned out great. To attach the balls, I'm using these golden threaded hooks I got super cheap on Amazon. And with the blowtorch, I'm heating them up a little so I can hot press them into the print. Then wait a bit and screw the last bit all the way in. Attaching the ball and admiring the result. Not too shabby, huh? Oh poops, I forgot the star, essential for a Christmas tree. Ta-da! And here I am trying to beautify this Christmas tree with some RGB LED strips. First attempt was a total failure. But you live and learn. Second attempt, way better. Instead of hanging the strips outside the tree, I placed them inside, which is even better since the filament is quite translucent. Let me know what you think in the comments. Here the final Christmas tree. I'm really proud of it.
And that's that for our 2025 Christmas tree. Hopefully next year we're gonna make a bigger one. Like I said, this one is 1 meter tall plus 10 centimeters of the star, but it is pretty big. Look at the size compared to me. And that's how big it is. And of course there were some hiccups and some troubleshooting, but when you do 3D printing, there's always something that goes not as expected, but that's part of the game. I'm just hoping that our Spectrum Santa Claus is not freezing his bum outside, but you know, work is work, we gotta do this. Jingle bells, I'm freezing all the way. Remember to check the links in the box below for all the filaments, and remember the discount code is right here. And it is valid for all filaments. And one more thing before I go, remember to subscribe, comment down below and give us a like. Well, thank you so much for watching. My name is Alessio, this is Spectrum Filaments, and I'll see you Wednesday in the next video. Jingle bells, I'm freezing all the way. Filaments 10% discount, come here.